That fits here.
All right, this is the original equipment, OEM Prius Prime, and you see how this fits here? See how it nicely fits right inside there, and it fits there. Now let's go see what it looks like on the aftermarket. So the technician was having a problem, just like I would be having a problem, because he didn't know they didn't fit right. Check this out. It doesn't fit, not even close. Okay, see how these protrude out here like this? Let's see what the difference is. So they have this protrusion right where that fits, and this does not. So this right here, see how this is trimmed back? This one has this big old piece of aluminum coming out here out of the side. So you cannot put aftermarket condenser on this Prius Prime made by this company, that APD or whatever it was. So these guys have this condenser for this Prius Prime and it doesn't fit because of the plastic shroud. And so this means this customer is not going to get this car back a day earlier. This means the technician has just been delayed from putting the car back together. This means that the service writer now has to do a supplement with the insurance company to get the more expensive OEM condenser that fits correctly instead of the piece of shit aftermarket one what doesn't. And it's going to waste his time. And instead of the service writer writing up other cars making money, he's wasting his time doing this because of aftermarket.